Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you guys can receive regular updates from my end. Okay, so now let us continue with the discussion of the gold analysis from where we left off yesterday. So when we were discussing the gold yesterday, market was trending over here and we marked this area as an area of support and this area as an area of resistance. You guys can see that our support area was tested and then market closed above this area. So we would take a buy entry from here. So let me take that trade for you guys. So if you guys would take an entry over here, your stop loss will be approximately here and your take profit will be approximately here. So this trade would give us a profit of 3.4%. And even if we take a trade after the closing of above candle over here, then our stop loss will be over here and our take profit will be approximately here. So this trade would have given us a profit of approximately 0.8%. And afterwards, when market once again gave us opportunity to buy, we would enter over here, we would hit our stop loss in the next candle, but once we close over here like this, then we would make some good profit. So for example, if we would take a buy entry over here, stop loss will be approximately here and our take profit will be approximately over here. So this trade would have given us a profit of 9.7%, which is amazing. Okay, and now let me take another trade. So once again, when market tested our support and closed above this area, we would take a buy entry over here. Our stop loss will be approximately here and our take profit will be approximately over here. So this trade would have given us a 12.8% profit, which is again amazing. And I would prefer to stay out of the market over here when this huge candle took place, but I would prefer to take an entry over here. So this trade would have only given us a little bit of profit, but still this trade would have given us a 0.7% profit only. And that would be all the trades for yesterday. So now let me mark the fresh areas of support and resistance. So this will be the area of short-term resistance for tomorrow, and this will be the area, and the short-term support will be approximately over here, and this will be the area of short-term support. Okay, so now let me move all these scenarios forward so you guys can easily do trading tomorrow as well. And if you guys want to know anything further, just let me know in the comment section. So meanwhile, that's all for today's video. Okay, so these will be the scenarios. Let me push it down. Let me push it down. Okay, yes, okay. So this will be the scenarios for tomorrow. If you guys want to know anything further, just let me know in the comment section. So meanwhile, just like and subscribe this video and do share it with more people so more people can benefit. Thank you. I will see you guys tomorrow with the fresh scenarios. Thank you.